This is example 3 for day 9 optional practice. So let's read through our example. Given kite ABCD with a perimeter of 36, where segment AB is congruent to segment BC, where AB is 5 and the measure of angle A is 100 degrees. Determine the area of the kite. So let's first draw our diagram. So we are going to go ahead and label it. Okay, given that AB is congruent to BC, we can say that BD is going to act as our perpendicular bisector. So we can say that AD is congruent to CD. We also know that the angle measure of A is 100 degrees, and we know one of the properties of a kite that would make angle C also 100 degrees. So now we're given that angle or side AB is 5, meaning that BC would also be 5. Now we need to figure out the length of AD and DC. Well, we were given that the perimeter is 36, so we know the perimeter is going to be 10 because our two sides added together plus 2 of side AD. So if we simplify, we get 26 equals 2 times AD, meaning that side AD is going to equal 13. So we can go ahead here and label it in both. Now, if looking at our diagram and using triangle ABD, you need to ask yourself, what are we given? We are given side, angle, side. So let's use our area of a triangle to find the area of ABD. So since we're given side, angle, side, we'll use that formula. So the area of triangle ABD is 1/2 times one side times your other side times sine of theta. Well, in this situation, we have 1/2 times our side length of 5 times our side length of 13, and we have an angle measure of 100. If I type that into my calculator, I roughly get 32.006. Now, we know that this kite is made up of two congruent triangles, so we can find the area of our kite by multiplying 2 by our area of triangle ABD. So when I do that, I will say 2 times 32.06, and I get an area for my kite of 64.01 units squared.